Ayun na nga, magandang gabi mga kanetek. No, so ito, meron tayong natapos order from Quezon City, no. Ito, biglang ko lang kayo ng overview, no. So, ginamit natin dito mga boss, HT21, no. So, nag-built-in din tayo ng mixer. Tapos, naglagay din na rin tayo ng Kevlar na mic. So, ito is dual power supply. Okay. So, ngayon boss, ito naka-battery mode yan, no? So, yan. So, battery mode, hindi siya nakasaksak. Yan boss, 23 volts, 23.2 volts. Okay. So, yan yung sound check natin, no? So, ito yung mic natin. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. So yan, wireless mic, Kevlar na wireless mic. Check natin yung ano. Feel love. Oh, hindi pa naka-volume dito. Yan when I hear the ground, you say you're always an assist when I don't understand that I'm held to life. Pasensya na kayo boss, hindi ako kabisado yan. Okay. If we had an exchange of hearts, and you know what I felt upon, you feel the pain and the memory starts. If we had an exchange of hearts. So yan boss, no, naka-build din yung mixer niya, wireless mic, Kevlar. Okay, ito yung wireless mic na boss, no, Kevlar URX2. So, mixer Yamaha, battery niya 24 volts, 40 ampere. Okay, so dual power supply din to boss, no, so pwede ka mag-choose ng 220 volts or rechargeable battery, no. So, papakita ko sa inyo paano mag 220 volts. Wait lang boss, setup ko lang. So, yan boss, no. So, sinaksak natin yung plug. Yan. So, paano mag-change? So, una, hinaan muna natin to, yung mixer. Okay. Then, patay natin to. Okay, na ngayon. Once napatay na, okay, switch natin to para sa maging 220 volts, no. Itong single line, switch mo siya dyan. Oh, so 220 volts na yan. So, open natin to. Okay. Then yung mixer. Ayan. So, naka 220 volts na yan. So, yan boss, no? So, yan, naka 220 volts na siya. So, pwede nang mag-video okay mga boss. Okay. Maganda yung buga ng mic niya kasi naka-mixer tayo, no? So,
hello, check mic test. Hello, check test mic.
So, yan boss. Test tayo ng ng mga deep bass. Check natin. So, yan boss, no? JBL. Test tayo.
Come over and start a conversation with just me and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Down to my hands, stop and the man on the tree. And then we start to dance and I'll sing it like
Okay, sayang iba, ha? Ayan, boss. Ayan, So, hello mga boss ha.